Hi, I look like the ultimate alien right now. You know, you ever sit at home and you're bored and you're like, oh, I wish I lived in my D&D universe, in my campaign's universe. I wish I was a tiefling. Well, today I'm gonna just become one. I'm not actually gonna make myself pink, just because, first of all, I don't have pink body paint, secondly, I don't want to. So, yeah, I don't know, we're just gonna see where this is going. I have already put in circle lenses, as you can see. They're almost like fucking scleras for my eyes. They almost fill out my entire eyes. They're just 15 millimeters. I don't know, apparently I just have tiny fucking eyes. So, yeah, I don't know, enjoy or maybe not. If you're thinking that I went very pale there, I did not. I'm just matching my body now and I'm still a bit darker than the rest of me. I don't know why my face is an outlier there. Also, excuse me permanently looking at the screen. I'm just mesmerized at how weird I look with these lenses. Here we go with this big boba. Is that I want to go pink, as when I draw my tavern keeper persona, she's pink, or they are pink, but that's where that thing stops. So I also know that I'm gonna go heavy on the blush, because pink. But I mean, I always end up doing the same thing with my makeup, and I don't particularly like eyeliner because it makes my eyes less round, and I like that my eyes are round, so that would be very counterproductive. For me at least. So we'll see. I think that no matter what I'm doing, I'm gonna look like a bit of an alien. But then again, if I weren't so deadly fucking afraid of sclera lenses, that would be what this persona requires. So I don't know if you can say that these lenses are too big. I got them for Kotori Minami from Love Life, by the way. I don't just randomly have them laying around. And I'm gonna be editing them to be pink later. What I'm also very fucking frustrated by is that I know that somewhere I have some fangs lying around, but I can't find them. It's not bad. Could use a bit more sparkle, which what I just used was sparkle, but I'd actually like to do this. I forget what it's called other than Egyosal, because that's the original word that I learned it under in like 2011. Like the puffy eyes thing. I learned it when I was into K-pop, so all I know is the Korean name for that. So anyway, we need more sparkles. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. Okay, more sparkles. That's the point. By the way, this is my chair. It's pretty old, if you can tell. Yes, yes, that is more appropriate. I like that I said I was not gonna paint myself pink, but essentially, we've got there. Anyways, I'm gonna take my hair down and straighten it a bit, I think, because I can promise you that yeah. Okay, my neighbor's outside now building something and I can see him, that means he can see me, and I'm pretty sure that I look insane right now. Anyway, I realized I forgot lipstick and that I will have to lighten my eyebrows because they are a bit dark for my overall aesthetic. My camera went out there, but that's okay because this is where it gets interesting. I got these. I have never had elven ears quite this big. I'm very happy that I found them. I already pierced them, as you can see. And I have to glue them on. I never glue on my tiny little elf ears that I usually have for cosplay or something. So, watch me struggle and probably glue my hair to my face. Got the trusty old, what is it called in English? In German we just call it skin glue. Sounds a lot more ominous than it really is. When we're at conventions and somebody has to have their like fake ears glued on, my best friends and I, we have this tradition of letting somebody else rip them off. Because why use remover? Remover is for pussies, and we also don't have any. You shouldn't rip your glued on stuff off, by the way. I'm not advocating for that, it hurts, but it's a tradition that needs to be honored. Oh my god! I'm gonna end up gluing this to my leg. Gonna be able to hear where I'm going. Hey. Okay, how do I... Even with both hands, this is a was easier than I thought it would be. By the way, I know that there's quite the line there from where my ear begins and ends. Which is why there will be hair over that, so you can't fucking see. What's also great is in one of my campaigns, I am playing this super cute Tiefling, and she's all pink and everything, and one of my best friends, who are the same ones with whom I am ripping off fake ears, we're playing every single campaign together, and one of us brought a friend from their school, and it was a dude, which we're all AFAB, with me being the only one identifying as NB, but all AFAB, and I'm very femme-passing. So I was just sat there in my usual like pastel shit, playing my pastel Tiefling with a cute dress and everything, and I'm playing a cleric, and I'm being very me with my collection of pink dice and my pink dice bag and everything. And then I tie up my hair and he was so shocked that I have a mohawk. I'm like, dude, what were you thinking? Of course I do. I don't know, it just was very funny to me, as like everybody who knows me knows that I'm like heavily into visual kei and listen to metal mainly and everything. He was so shocked. It just reminded me of that some people don't think that this is normal. Alright. Oh, that's adorable. Like, not me, just the ears. Oh, I want elf ears in real life. And I've got these, which are totally not professional. I could have made them myself. Instead, I ordered them on AliExpress. They were originally white, and I painted them to be pink, because everything in my life has to be pink. And I'm gonna have to hide this headband, which is why I have hijacked one of my mom's scarves, because I just have like one light one, all the rest is brown or blue for some reason. And I need to use the viewfinder for this. It's colliding with my ears. Oh no. We're gonna try and cover this. Oh god. Like, I wear medieval headscarves sometimes, but I usually don't have horns. So this is new and exciting. I have seldom felt weirder in my life. Hey, that actually looks kind of decent if I can get it to lay flat a bit more. Oh no, it's pushing my ear! Damn you, skin glue! Skin glue just sounds so weird. That's not skin adhesive? I'm debating if I'm just gonna leave it like that. But it's, again, pushing on my ears. Apparently elf ears aren't as convenient as they are pretty, but either I'm leaving it like this or I'm tying it once. Asymmetrical. Life with horns and long ears is difficult, you guys. Horn and ear awareness 2K20. You ever wonder how you got to a certain point? What is happening? Why is this horn suddenly so... My camera just noped out there. I would have left as well. I just remembered that my neighbor can totally see me. Alright, let's try that again. I'm gonna blindfold myself, aren't I? Good morning. That's actually pretty cool. Alright, I need my apron. And probably my skirt, because right now I'm wearing sweatpants, as every person who records videos does. That's just an unwritten law. Maybe someone has written it down, who am I to tell? Am I just putting this on top of my sweatpants? Yes. Why is that even a question? Alright, this is as far as I can possibly move it back. This is as far as my room goes. And it's not everything, but, and I would probably sound like absolute shit all the way over there, but look at this. This has gone so much better than I would have imagined. I just tried to read something, realized I couldn't, and then realized I forgot my regular fucking glasses that I need to see and read. And I added my little fancy pants chain of doom. I don't know. I don't have fangs right now. I will add them once I have them, or once I find the ones that I used for Solox again. If you think that I'm not gonna go off and take a million pictures of this now, then you are out of your mind. I don't know, this was just a fun little transformation thing, not really anything special. I just felt like recording today and felt like doing this. I'll have to craft some horn jewelry. And I even made the cheap fucking horns work. I don't care that you can see it from the back. I don't care. I'll need pink lenses at some point. But quarantine! Nothing currently gets fucking delivered ever. Yeah, that's that. See you and stuff. Ay. Okay, I can do this. I did way too well of it. I did way too good of a job securing these. Hey. Oh my god. I mean, to be fair, these are quite heavy thanks to the bazillion fucking earrings I put on them. Oh, this one was more pleasant. Is it red? Is it red? I've got hair in my contact lenses. My eyes are watering so bad. Oh god. Worth it. Absolutely worth it.